Hey everybody, what's going on? This is Living with Perks, and in this video we're going to be unboxing and reviewing some new headphones. What we have to review today is the headphones by SOUNDPEATS. These are the Cove Pro wireless headphones. They do feature a microphone on them, wireless connectivity, built-in battery, and from what I can tell, it has a lot of battery built into them. On the side here, you can see some of those features. Do want to point out 95-hour battery life. You get a few days of use out of this, and most people have their headphones on for a couple hours a day. These are going to last you quite a long time before you have to recharge them. Let's take a look at the back here. Comes in a variety of different colors. We got white, gray, and black. I'm going to point out a couple other features on the back here. They have Bluetooth 6.0. The maximum working distance is 10 meters, and the battery capacity is a 750 milliamp. These things are said to charge very quickly. With the charging cable, you're able to get around 11 hours of battery life from a 10-minute charge. You get full battery in just over an hour. Let's open these up and see what they look like. Got stuff falling out of the package here. Let's see what we got. We have the registration, and that's for apps and different things you can connect to your smartphone. We have a little pad of stickers here featuring the panda from SOUNDPEATS. We have the user guide. We'll refer to this if we need to. I think with most headphones, they're self-explanatory how they work. We have a small USB-C cable. No actual power adapter, but I have a bunch of those around the house. Sometimes I'll even just plug it into my computer and get it to charge that way. And here are the headphones. And that's printed on there pretty good. That's not like a sticker or anything. I tried plucking that away and it doesn't move, so nice to have those all visible on there. I can tell right off the bat that the ear muffs are pretty soft to the touch. It's kind of like a memory foam. And if you can see here, I'm gonna press down on it. Those are gonna feel really nice. Let's try them on and see how they work. Do gotta adjust them for my big head. I can tell they are going to be great noise canceling headphones. I'm pretty much mute to everything outside of here. Yeah, they do a great job of soundproofing the outside noise. They cup onto the ears nicely. They feel good. Let's take a look at the features on the headphones themselves. On the very bottom here, we have the USB-C port to charge them. This little hole here is going to be like the microphone. From what I read, this is a AI microphone with a crystal clear audio functionality to it. If you're making calls with your headphones on, you're able to speak very clearly and they'll be able to hear you just fine on the other side. On the side here, we also have the minus and the plus for your volume control. A couple other buttons. I'm assuming this one is going to be your power. Okay. So it's trying to pair right off the bat to a Bluetooth device. I will have to get one down here to connect up to and test them out. I'm going to grab the Bluetooth device that I have since my phone is in use, and that's going to be a Nintendo Switch. All right, I have my Nintendo Switch here. I have my list of headphones. I've paired up to it before. Let's pair up the new headphones. So it's in searching mode right now, looking for a device to pair up to. All right, and it did find it, the SOUNDPEATS Cove Pro. Let's connect to those. And I heard the audio through the headphones saying it is connected. So let's go ahead and try these on and see how it works with Pokemon Let's Go Eevee, newest game I purchased. So I'm connected to my Nintendo Switch. I hear the audio right away. Let me try to adjust the volume here. You can see the audio is adjusting on screen. Let's crank it up as loud as we can. Very loud and clear audio. Cannot hear anything outside of these headphones. Almost too loud. Every little sound on the game I can hear clear as day on these headphones. Every footstep, communicating with other NPCs on here. Everything is just crystal clear in these things. Now what I'm going to do is put the headphones up to the microphone on the phone here and let you guys hear it. Just going to do a couple things here. Talk to a Pokemon that's in town. So yeah, these headphones, they're blasting as loud as ever, and I'm maximized on my Nintendo Switch, but you can hear this just from me holding it. Great headphones. Very comfortable. I can wear these things for hours. The memory foam is nice. Can wear it with my hat on and not have any discomfort. Yep. Overall, great headphones. I'll get these turned off here. So to power these off, you do have to hold down that small circular button for about 5 to 8 seconds, and it notifies you that they're turned off. Overall, these headphones are great. I plan on continuing to use them. I might even see if I can connect them up to my drum set in some way. I might need to see about getting a Bluetooth adapter for that. That's the one thing I do notice about these headphones is they don't have an actual auxiliary jack on them, so I can't use them wired. They have to be Bluetooth compatible. Most electronics nowadays, you're not going to have any problems with that, but if you were looking for a pair of headphones that do have the auxiliary cable, you might have to look elsewhere. For these headphones here, if you guys do want to pick up a set, take a look at the link in the description below. I will have them listed there. And if you guys like the channel or the video, hit that like button, subscribe to Living with Perks, and we'll catch you next time. Peace.